I'm gonna show a video how to make a blue storm, a blue snow trooper. Okay, let's start with the head. You just need a regular snow trooper. First color that all blue is half of it. Another half, color it gray. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is a new camera. Yeah, backpack. Okay. I just said blank head. You don't have to put anything in the back. Just leave it blank, yeah. I just colored blue arms. It looks like, yeah, everything I have is June with Derby. I scribbled on that one, I kinda made a mistake. Yeah. Oh. Bikes. Yeah, this color all Sharpie. You need white arms. Oh, white hands. Oh yeah, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Not one of my favorites, but like a different favorite. There's a new set I'm going to get. I'll show a video of that if I ever get it. Yeah. Now, here's what it looks like. Okay, that's how you make a snow trooper. You can use any kind of weapon. I'm still making the weapon. And this is, my real name's Reed. My name's Reed, but yeah, my nickname is Super Lego Builder 42, and my nickname, I just made it up. And